Okay, good morning, YouTube. Um, in our last video, we actually removed this injector distributor pump, and now we need to put it, dismantle it, rebuild, and put it back in service. What we noticed back then was it's not actually giving out the pressure that is needed. As we said, we bought a kit, which is this, and this have two settings there. It's written 7135-110, and I was made to understand that will be the kit for these. Not sure yet. We'll look at it and see what they have in the kit. So we'll dismantle this. The expectation is since we're actually having the unit pumping, but we are not getting the actual pressure we're supposed to get, it's going to be something around the transfer pump and the pressure pump. The pressure pump assembly is inside and the transfer pump is here, but we have a relief valve on this cap that may actually have issue as well, this very cap. So we're going to dismantle it one by one and try to get in there. Remember, this is technicalology. We don't know so much, but we learn everything we can. So let's learn together. The tools we're going to be using for these are just few tools. One thing I notice here is the manufacturer try to keep tools, just some few tools whenever you want to work on this. I can see that we're using size 8. Okay, we'll be using size 8. We'll be using 10 mm. We'll be using 13 mm in some places. We'll use 3/4 in some places, and then we'll use this 24 mm. I took liberty of getting some of other tools like toothbrush in case I want to clean something up, screwdriver, both Phillips and flat. Okay, then art knife for me to cut liners and all those stuff. So these are the basic tools that we're going to be using, and this shows that anybody can do this. You just need to take your time, learn one or two things, and then we'll be able to put this together. Let's go in and start dismantling. Okay, at this junction, the first thing I want to do is to look at the way things are and try to note where everything comes from. We notice the number here says 342. We have X on this, W, V, and U. So we need to note that so that when we are coming back, we come back the same way that we found it. So let's commence our dismantling. Okay, that was a bit tight. And this seems to be, there's a spring under this, so you can feel the spring. Okay, there's a rubber in here. You can see a spring here. I don't know if this one moves or not. Okay. Okay. That comes out like that. You can see a net here too. See that? Okay, let me get this out of the way then. Look a little bit milky. I can see rust on this. That's an O-ring. Okay, I was stuck. Let's try what is a bit dirty. We'll clean it up. See, now we have to be careful and ensure nothing gets lost here. Okay, there's a plunger in there too. That needs to be cleaned up. Okay. I'll say this will be removable. It look like two-piece item, but I want to be sure we have the gasket before I pry it open. Okay, yeah. We have some parts as well. Okay. Showing some marks, but not enough to cause trouble. And we mount it like that, so it will be aligned to the cover. Okay, these are they are not really metals. They look like a fiber or something. They are not really hard. Okay, let's take out the cover. So I can see it's in the lower point, so I'm going to change to the middle one. I'm putting things back together. Yeah, that's out. Okay, that will also dismantle. We have some O-rings there to change. This will move to the middle. Okay, so we need to remove all these spider washers to give way for using of models. Okay, governor linkage, and there's a string under here. Take all of them out at once. I'll remove the metering unit only if there's a need. It looks clear right now, so I'm going to clean it up. Okay, this is what we have right now. This is how far we are.